All right, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. Good morning on this beautiful, rainy, steamy, warm, hot, not ever anything day. Yeah, I didn't want to sit at home today, and it's been raining on and off, just this fine drizzle mist crap thing. So I went, you know what, nah, I'm coming out. I'm coming out and having a fish. So I'm in Brunswick. I didn't want to travel too far from home, and we're going to have a bit of a flick in here and see if there's anything worthy. It might be just small stuff, but hey, you just never know. Never know if you never go. So stick around. Bye. All right, friends, first cast, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, right. Hopefully it's not just all nibblers, because that would suck. All right, let's go again. Oh, did you see that? I don't know if the camera caught that. That was a turtle that just popped its head up. Not even kidding. Crazy. Alright, well, back to the next cast. Yeah. Oh. I have one. It's a little baby. It's a little baby of babies. Oh, it's so little. Oh, goodness me. Oh, goodness me. Ugh. Here you go. All right, mate. All right, hang on a minute. Let's get you out of there. Tiny little one. Start the day. All right, buddy. You ready? Go on. So yeah, it's very fine layer of rain right now. I don't know if you can see that. Birds are loving it. Cassie, not so much. As long as it stays like this or goes away and doesn't get any heavier, I'm okay. Oh, another one. Oh, I came off. Bummer. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Babies. I got babies today. They are like little babies. Little baby brimbos. Oh. Can we? All right, mate. You're gonna get yourself all in a tiz. All right, another one. Straight off and straight back in. Go on. All in our rain gear, ready to keep going, because we're here now, so why stop? Never gonna stop, never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Nice if there was a bigger bream in between all those tiny little ones, but I'm not sure. Oh. Come on. This, I remember now, this spot was always quite frustrating for that. Just nibblers. Nah, it's just nibbler central. I see he's trawling. It's a great idea. That's the way to do it. Not working. That's awesome. Okay. Back out of the rain jacket because it's just too steamy. Should have worn a short sleeved underneath and just kept the rain jacket on, but it is just so humid. Oh, that was a good pickup. Dang, wasn't paying attention. Okay, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. He's a little bit bigger, but not by much. Not by much. Oh, don't go get stuck under there. Hey, come on, what are you doing, mate? Oh, he's tangled me up. Hang on, my line's all tangled. Oh, he's actually not too bad. I don't think he's legal, but... Well, he's not exactly a giant, but it was fun. I wasn't paying attention, so... Ready? Gone. Oh, adding those bream to the tally. I know they're little. Still fun. Been here what, like 15 minutes? Oh, again, not paying attention. Come on, cuss, what are you doing? Need to dry my rod a little bit because it's getting a bit slippery. Another legal one. Yeah. Yeah. Another legal one. Another legal one. Yeah. You ready, buddy? All right, you ready? There we go. I like to keep my line a little bit slack. Yeah, a little bit slack just to, and then watch it get taken. It's always very fun. There he goes. Ready? Did I call it or did I call it? That was so good. How's that for a perfect example of giving an example? Oh, another one. Man, on fire. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Oh, he's angry. He's not happy. He's not happy. Oh, another one. Oh, he's another legal one, I reckon. Oh, he's barely hooked. Holy cow, he's barely hooked. Oh, there he goes. Lucky. Lucky, mate. Lucky. Bummer. So, another perfect example is of being too cocky, right? And then losing a fish. So, yeah, taught me a lesson. Taught me a good lesson. All right. Back in there. All right, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Wow, that was like, holy cow. Holy cow. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh, holy cow. Oh, he's a good one. Oh my goodness, he's a good one. Please don't drop him. Holy biscuitness. I'm sorry, I swore. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, far out. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. No, he's not quite, but oh my gosh, he's so big. He's so freaking big. Oh my gosh, he's at 35. Oh, yeah. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, hang on, put him a bit further. Yeah. Wow. unbelievable. Look at him. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. We're not taking him home. He's just too beautiful. Oh, wow. Are you ready, buddy? You're free to go, mate. Oh. He's gone. Yeah. So good. Oh my gosh. Alright. I am all done, and with all this excitement I totally forgot to film the outro, so I'm just doing a voiceover. And what an epic little outing. That fish was so good, and as you could tell by my excitement, I was very pleased. So hour and a half session and totally smashed it. Loved it. I didn't even notice the rain. So thank you for being with me on this adventure, and I hope you stick around for the next one. All right then.